Praise the Lord. Welcome, Nate. Guys, it's May 12th and we're on our way back home. So we're leaving Accra. Well, we won't actually ever leave Accra, but we're coming from, let's say, Achimota, right? We're coming from that way, going towards Amasaman. So we're going towards the house, and I just want to show you guys the road construction and how it's coming along. Nana is here. My husband, of course, always driving us and doing a wonderful job at it. It's not easy. Definitely not easy. But we appreciate it. Right, Nana? So here are the gutters. And like I said, they will be building the road up.
They raised it up, you see.
Oh, okay.
They do this here last week. Last week it wasn't like that.
Okay, so. Oh. Okay, they left their mirror out and somebody bent it back the other way. So this is what he's talking about, guys. They raised this up, all this dirt they put here. You see how they're getting it up to the level of the gutter, right? So the water can flow inside. So, yeah. There we are. So even down there, look at all that dirt and stuff. Did we?
There's a lot of dirt.
Yeah. They really packed it in there. So here is some of it. Not really sure. You guys can see better than me because you're up higher than me. How's it looking? Let me know in the comments. I got you up at the top of the window here. Whoa. Sorry for hitting your head on the window, guys. So we did drive. We were driving down there, right? We were driving down there and coming up this hill to here. And now we're driving up here. So like I said, they're really, really moving along. There's some of the forms, I think, for the wall. The wood there. So they put those forms. And each, you see how the wall is? I know it's a little hard with the chocho, but we'll get up there. Hopefully we'll get to see. So you see the lines? So that's each section. They put wood up. See where the wall is with the iron rods? They put wood up on each section and then pour the cement or concrete, whatever. See how they do that? They're really doing a great job. So they're working on that. There's a gutter here. It kind of got filled in with dirt back there, but they'll fix it. So there it is. They're spraying the water. The water truck is up there. So, yeah. We'll have a nice dirty truck by the time we get back. We have it, guys. They're really, really doing a great job, though. This will be the access road, I think. Or are we on the access road?
Yeah, this might be the access.
So that won't.
This one will be also.
Oh,
This
okay.
will be the access.
Okay. So maybe it'll stay as even a sidewalk type place. Like for some of the areas. I don't know what they're beeping at. See, some people are coming down this way. I guess they turn somewhere over there and they have to go and find their way. Because you can't just come across here. It's too high, see? Oh, broke down right in front of you. That's what caused a lot of traffic too. You already have traffic and then one of the lanes blocked, so. It's gonna be really nice when it's finished. You guys get to experience a little bit of Ghana driving. Look at them. Look in the mirror, guys. See them all coming? And then they arguing with each other like, move over a little bit. But I don't think there's supposed to really be two lanes going on this road here. Look at it. It's not wide enough to fit two cars. I'm guessing, you know, when there's a spot that you cross over that it's flat there, like back there where I showed you the gutter was filled in a little bit. You know, if they come from there, they're coming up here, they can go and turn back there and then come up here so they can access their place. So I think that's the purpose of this particular road here. Yeah. Thinking they can't get access over there. Or maybe they can. The Chocho looks like it's. Well, they're turning around or something. Okay, guys, never mind. They're just taking it upon themselves to go down that road. That's not really meant for them to go down. They can access it here. So this road here gives access to everybody up through in there. So yeah, I don't know why they thought they should go down that road. I guess they're trying it out. You got to give it a shot anyway. You don't know unless you try. Trying to get in front of the water truck. Okay, guys, here is this big house that we use as a landmark, right? So there we have it. See what it looks like, guys, before the water? So that's why it's really important. It's not ideal that you have muddy roads, but this is the reason. It can get pretty dusty. And then be hard to not only see, like in front of you, but also hard to see the potholes. You don't want to slam over a pothole. Now, you see the road. We're definitely getting close to 60. Probably even going to go quicker than 60. And then later we'll be down to 5 or 10. So you see the game changer, guys? Yep. This is the Pokwasi interchange again. I really like how they did the side there. You guys can't see it probably because we go by kind of fast. But it has the Jinami sign and stuff. So I really like it. Inside these little squares. Not all of them have a design, but several of them do. And it's nice. Overhead walkway. And you see the sellers there and everything. It becomes like a little strip mall or something, you know, where they sell a lot of different things. And so they did that part, but they left the rest, is what everybody says, which is true. So here we're coming back off of the pavement. Over there you can see they've done some work with that big giant gutter. So the road will be up, and that big giant gutter will serve as a way to keep the water off of the road. You see it? It's tall. It's wide too. It's not the same width. It's probably about 3 times as wide as the ones we normally see that they've made here. So that one, they've made it really wide. Got some work going on there. I didn't say it. It's May 12th, 2024. Pretty sure I didn't say the year. So yeah, that's what the date is today. See how tall the road is? I mean the wall is here. Let me zoom in. See? Yep. Gutter. So you see how high they'll fill this. Like the place they packed in back there that we saw, you know, they'll pack all this, they'll pack the road all the way up to that level. Here's a good close look at the walkway. There's the ramp that curves all the way around, and then the stairs. There is, they put gravel there. We saw some piles of gravel. I think it was on the other video. So go and check that out. And then here's where they actually have leveled it. That hurt. Whoever hit that gutter. You see at several places where somebody has hit it, ran into it. That cost a good amount for their car. So this is how it'll look for them to go over into the road. They had a little road back there, and they put something over top of the gutter like a cement. Yep. And that's how it is, guys. Progress is definitely going on. We're down to 15 miles per hour from 60 something. Got your little markets over here. but for sale. Everybody making their money, hustling, selling something. Buy and sell is a big business here. Yep. And as it needs to be, I guess. Look at our area. Imagine if we had to come out to the market every time we wanted a onion or something, you know? It would be kind of a hassle. Here are the pillars I talked to you guys about on the first video. So go back and check that out if you haven't seen it. But, yeah. This might be right here at Amasaman. This might be a place where they're, see how they did it? That's the pillar, and look at how they did it. Look at the iron rods. And then they're gonna put forms around it and cast the concrete. So that is probably gonna be like the Pokwasi interchange, a place where people can come down from the main highway and access this area here. Not really sure what that guy was doing. So this is how it's looking, guys. That's the way we came, and now we're coming back on this side. A lot of trucks over here. Oh, they're repairing them. Okay, and they have tires and stuff. There's the forms for the gutters. And you see, somebody hit those iron rods up on top of that wall. That did some damage, I'm sure. There's the water truck. Looks like they're offloading some stuff that will be used for the walkway. So they're working on that overhead walkway. I mean, you're getting to see the road a little more clearly now. Here's the China Mall. So we're getting close to the place where you will alight. That is what they say when they want to get out of the vehicle. Like, say I'm taking you somewhere and dropping you off. So they say they will alight here or there, whichever the place is. So you guys are almost to the end of your destination with us. Yep, we've almost made it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video so far. Like I said, if you have not watched the video of us going into Accra, go ahead and check that out. This is the Home Depot Mimic. I haven't been in there yet, guys. Maybe one day when the road's done, maybe we'll venture over there and go in there and check her out, see what it looks like. I say it's a Home Depot knockoff because it says Home Depot and they're using the same kind of colors, but I don't think it's and it is for like hardware and building and stuff like that, but I don't think it's affiliated with our Home Depot we're used to in the US. And guys, we have a stop to make on the way home. So I think I am going to let you guys go at that. I wanted to just give you an update coming in this way. A lot has happened over there. You guys can see the progress. This place, they're still working on it. It's kind of slow going as far as us being able to see the progress. A lot of it's going on at the top. So yeah, nothing much has really changed underneath there. They're just working mostly at the top. So yeah, so I think I'll let you guys go at that. I hope you enjoyed the ride, and until next time, God bless you.